Infor Track Department Setup. The department form can be reached from the Administrator homepage by clicking on the department icon. This form is used to create subcategories for a facility. Departments usually correspond with the ERP departments or work center definitions. The departments form is a simple grid table. The first two fields, department and description, are the code and description that depicts the department in TimeTrack. Facility is the TimeTrack facility the department is associated with. If the department is to display on payroll extract lines, the value in the payroll department field is the value that will be displayed. Direct labor jobs will post to ERP with the department or work center that is defined in the jobs routing. Indirect tasks will post with the TimeTrack department specified on the transaction record. An indirect TimeTrack transaction record that has 100 as the department will post those hours to the ERP department specified in the ERP department field. An employee's default department is defined on their employee record and will default into any indirect task the employee works on. A supervisor may enter an alternate TimeTrack department during hours preparation for processing, as long as the alternative department exists in the department table.